Hello, real estate innovators. Tired of juggling lease renewals, forgetting deadlines, and scrambling through disorganized data? Today, we're taking a closer look at how Gantt Charts, tuned up by ChatGPT's powerful insights, can streamline every step of your lease management process. Let's see how you can optimize tasks, timelines, and communication in a single, crystal clear view. We started by listing crucial tasks, from collecting lease data to scheduling inspections, right down to communication planning with tenants. ChatGPT helped us ensure no step got overlooked. Then we added start and end dates to each. Suddenly, everything was mapped out, where tasks overlapped, who was responsible, and exactly how long each phase should take. The Gantt chart transforms raw dates and tasks into an easy-to-read timeline. You'll see dependencies, like renewal discussions, can't start until lease data is verified. When ChatGPT flagged potential bottlenecks, like a delayed data collection, it was simple to shift tasks, add extra buffer days, or overlap certain phases to keep everything on track. Because real estate rarely goes exactly as planned, we factored in real-world changes. If lease data arrived late, we pushed out the Gantt timeline for compliance checks by a few days. We also introduced milestone reminders, like a 90-day notice for renewals, so no one gets blindsided. And with ChatGPT's help, we quickly inserted these tweaks and reforecasted the finish dates. In the end, this approach means fewer surprises, cleaner handoffs, and an organized pipeline of lease agreements. Exactly what real estate innovators need to stay ahead in a competitive market. Before you go, be sure to like this video, subscribe to stay in the loop, and join my newsletter for more game-changing insights. Also, check out my book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3, where I delve even deeper into ChatGPT-driven solutions for the real estate world. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and let Gantt charts guide your projects to success.